In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Mixtiles promo code. So let's get started. So Mixtiles is an online shop which deals with framing. So let's say you want a picture to put in a frame and print it. They deal with that stuff. And let's say you're looking for a discount. Well, you'll have to go to your web browser and search up Mixtiles promo code 2023. So once that is done, you're gonna go to the second website, wethrift.com. So I'm gonna click on it now. Alright, so once I'm here, as you guys can see, these are for August 2023, and there are 30 active right now. So let's go and explore a few. So the first one is 64% off, and as you guys can see, this coupon was used 4,317 times, and the success rate is pretty high, 83%. So it's gonna work for you, but there's a slight chance that it might not work, but you can still give it a try by clicking show code. So the code will be automatically copied, and that's the code right there. So whenever you're purchasing something at checkout, you'll have to paste this code and then continue with the purchase. Well, let's say this doesn't work, you can always try the other ones as well. So here 55% off, and as you guys can see, the success rate is 100%. So it's guaranteed that it's gonna work for you. So you can just copy the code and paste it at checkout. Similarly, you can also export other codes. For example, let's say you're looking for a 60% discount, 96% success rate. You can go and give this a try as well. Well, there are many more you can explore, but now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on this website, Business Insider. Alright, so once I'm here, the first one is earn up to 60% off using this coupon. It's gonna expire on 19th September, so you still have time. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Okay, so that's the code right there for 60% off, PD23. You can copy the code and use it at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.